What's up, guys? Eek with East Coast Ken, and today, well, I'm sorry this video's out so late, but I rode around on my mini bike dressed as Santa Claus in the neighborhood, and I passed out candy canes to all the kids. So instead of shooting a video, I was prepping the mini bikes, the golf cart, and a few other things so I could do that. But today's video, I want to talk to you guys about entry-level technician tools. 3 particular brands that I'm going to suggest to you. So let's go ahead and get into that video. All right, guys, so in no particular order, these are 3 brands that I think you as an entry-level technician, or if somebody who is aspiring to go to a community college to learn the trades, I think these are tools that you should look at. And this is not specific to what I'm going to show you, just the brands itself. So first and foremost, my pliers, as you can tell, they're Knipex. Knipex, however you want to say it. I'm very impressed with these pliers, and I think it is something that you should invest in. And I'll leave a link down below to a website that you can actually buy them. They're 90% of the time always on sale there. All right, guys, so the next brand of tools that I think you should honestly invest in are made by Tekton. So my 3/8 sockets and my quarter drive sockets are all made by Tekton, and they are a phenomenal brand. For those of you that have followed me for a while, you know that as a do-it-yourselfer, I was very big on the Cobalt line of tools. And as a do-it-yourselfer, I still highly suggest them. But for somebody who's going to be restoring, I don't know, maybe your dad's 65 Mustang that he passed on to you in your garage, or somebody who's aspiring to become a technician, whether it's auto body or auto mechanics at the community college, and again, as an entry-level technician, Tekton is a great brand, and I'm going to be investing heavily in them and these other 2 brands, the Knipex, and then this third one that I'll be bringing up here in just a minute. So my 2 next purchases are going to be torque wrenches and the combination box end wrenches, and they're going to be from Tekton. For, I want to say, like $197, I can get the box end with a 45-degree offset, 6 to 32 millimeter, and 1/4 to 1 1/4 inch, all of them 19 pieces for like $197. Guys, do not sleep on Tekton. 1/2 inch and 3/8 quarter drive, I'm sorry, 1/2 inch and 3/8 drive torque wrenches are like $290, maybe $260-ish, somewhere in that ballpark for both of them. Do not sleep on Tekton, guys. Go check them out. And every purchase you get 10% in rewards points. How can you not beat that? Oh, sorry, guys. I just had a coughing fit that I could not get rid of. Anyhow, the third and final brand. Now, these are what I'm suggesting that you should invest in as not just an entry-level tech, but somebody who's doing this and is aspiring to become a tech. These are affordable products. They're not quite Snap-on quality, but they're better than Husky and Cobalt, and definitely blows Harbor Freight out of the water. So my next brand, and the third brand, Gearwrench. So all of my screwdrivers, and these are just 3, I bought the whole huge set that these came in for $35 on Facebook Marketplace. Don't sleep on buying used tools either, guys. So Gearwrench, Tekton, and Knipex. So with the Gearwrench, my next investment from them are going to be the 120 XP flex head ratcheting wrenches, because I want them in the 12-point system. So guys, I'm Eek with East Coast Ken. These are your 3 brands, Gearwrench, Tekton, and Knipex, for you to go invest in. Definitely go spend your money there. And if you can, buy the Gearwrench off a tool truck, because you get that warranty and that relationship from that person, kind of like what Lindsay with Coyle Tools offers. So I'll leave links down below in the description box. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Merry Christmas to everybody, and I will see you in the first of the new year.